name is Virginia Woulfe-Beile. I work for the Sierra Club here in Alton, Illinois. We work a lot on renewable energy projects, and I just really want to help expand renewable energy. My husband and I had solar installed on our home, and it went online in October of 2016. We've never looked back. It's been seamless, wonderful experience. Not only do we offset about 90% of our electrical usage, we also enjoy getting those solar renewable energy checks quarterly. And really, the system itself has required little, actually no maintenance. So it's kind of a no-brainer. The only time I think of it is when I pull into the garage and I hear my inverter whirring, and I know it's working. There have been a lot of solar installers pop up, and I'm not saying if they're good or bad, but you really don't know. I mean, you have to go through a lot of, discovery levels to find out, how reputable they are. And that's one thing the Group I does for you. The power hour that my husband and I attended, it helped reinforce some of the research we had already done. It answered questions that we had, especially like the permitting and the interconnection. Those were like higher level things that I was not sure moving forward. So the education, again, was what made us confident to move forward.